here, That Boy Thing, and today I have a great unboxing for you guys. So basically, I will be unboxing the Black Web Centaur gaming keyboard. So yeah. So basically, as you guys saw in my room tour, I used to have this this keyboard right here, this normal Targus one. Hold on.
I just found out that the Willises and the Jeffersons don't think of me as anything but a maid.
This Targus keyboard right here. See? So, and I got bored of it, so I decided, why not buy a new one? Why not buy a new one? Hold on, guys. Let me just unplug this one right here. See, so that, like... Hold on, guys. Sorry about this. Coding right here. Alright. Anyways.
And let me guess. The name Florence Johnston did not appear on the guest list.
Bingo.
Oh, I'm sorry, Florence. But welcome to the club.
Alright, hold on. See, so I'm unplugging this so that I can plug in the new keyboard when I've got it open and I've got it set up. So the Gaming Centaur keyboard is not a mechanical keyboard. It is a membrane keyboard, but it's cool. So basically, better look of it right there. So this keyboard sucks. So now, sorry guys.
The Jeffersons were standing right there. They knew I was hurt.
Sorry about this recording. I just got home and got the thing. Just got the thing. But anyways, here we are.
Yeah, my friends are upstairs eating fried
Let's
fish,
unbox this.
and I'm down here eating Mrs. O'Reilly's frozen fish parts.
I love her pork parts.
You know, they even had the nerve to ask me to serve, and then I could stay after for dessert. Ain't that a blip?
Those heartless
Here we go.
feeling. If it's cake.
Actually, I might keep the scissors there. Yep, there's one more right here.
They can have their own dinner party without me. They'd rather have it that way anyway.
Yeah. Who needs them? Florence, I think this occasion calls for a toast.
To what?
To your awakening. Florence, you may be dirt, but by God, at least now you know it.
Sorry if you can hear that background noise. It's just my TV. It's on right now, just because.
That belongs to Mr.
Yeah.
Jefferson.
I'll never miss it. Besides, you bought him a box of donuts, I'd say you're even.
Ain't that supposed to be some of that good wine?
So I'm in a little bit of trouble here.
Tell a good $20
This
bottle.
keyboard. Here we go.
It's $15 better than this one.
Alright guys, I've got it open now.
No. To me,
So before we get into any of the other stuff, this is backlit. So guys, it is backlit, but it does have the like nails on it. But it's cool. So if you guys want to hear it, let me get it in depth. So that's how a membrane keyboard sounds if you guys don't know how it sounds. So there's a huge difference from a mechanical keyboard and a membrane keyboard. So let's put the scissors away. I don't want to scratch this new awesome membrane keyboard. It is backlit, and let me read from the back of the box. Hold on, actually. This is basically the guide,
just wish there was a way
which I will need so that I can.
just how hurt I am.
Tell them.
I don't know.
Now, so I'm just trying it here. So let's do a noise thing right here. So basically, this is
It's your decision.
like a normal keyboard, but this one right here, it's pretty heavyweight, but it's cool.
I decided to
So there's a huge difference, guys. So yeah. Anyways, let me just take this
Florence,
off right here,
as a fellow
and
working
take
person,
this off
let me
here
open
too,
that door for you. It
and
would be an honor.
then we'll have the wire out. Now this is a braided wire because it's cool. It's not like a thick black wire, but it's cool. It's cool. No. So basically, this is like your USB. So it is wired. So sadly, but still, it works. Performance awesome. So performance wise, I think it will be awesome. So let me get my computer set up. Or actually, hold on. They still added some tape on over right here. So I had some. Alright, sweet. So, yeah, hold on, guys. Let me just turn on my computer. Sorry, guys. Oh, I actually have to. So, guys, there you go. Backlit keyboard. Awesome. I will. Okay. Sorry, guys. With that, let's go.
And we just
So,
wanted to know how much we appreciate her. We
Hey,
got
guys.
some presents, and Jenny even designed an outfit for her. Oh yeah, I hope she likes it. Well, it's very
So this is awesome. It's
beautiful.
so basically it has 3 interchangeable backlit colors. It has green, red, and yellow. So there you go.
When Florence rings the bell,
That's cool.
turn out the lights,
Here.
and we can all hide and yell, surprise!
See, and then if you press FN in the light bulb like this together, that's cool.
Oh, my daddy's getting that look in his eye again. Well, it is getting late.
Then it'll dim out,
You should go and find
then
out
bright
who's
up,
Florence.
dim out to all types of other colors. See? So yeah, guys. So hopefully you guys like that new that unboxing of the Blackweb Centaur gaming keyboard, membrane keyboard. Make sure you guys comment, like, favorites, comment, subscribe, comment, like, favorite. Follow me on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. And I will see you guys in my next video. Peace.